Hi friends, welcome to Knowledge Buddy. Today I'm going to show you how to fix there is no account doesn't have Office yet. If it shows like this, so it's not showing to me. One guy commented me, so just you have to click on use different account and click on your developer account, then keep your password and sign in. So you have to use that developer account for this, guys, but you will get that developer account for 92 days only. After that 92 days developer account will expire. Then you have to keep your normal account, then you will get the Office. So after that 92 days, when the developer account will expire, then you have to keep your normal account. Till that time you have to use Office with the developer account, guys. That is it for today, guys. This is the solution for this. So the video is very short, but I'm going to upload another tutorial now. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Knowledge Buddy, guys. Bye, friends. I will see you in the next video.